Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing some slime kits from Five Below. So recently we went on a road trip and we got to stop by a Five Below, so I went ahead and picked up a few slime kits that I thought would be super fun for this video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take you down to my slime area where I can go ahead and pick up my supplies. And here are the 3 slime kits that I'm going to be reviewing. So here's the very first Five Below slime kit that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Make Your Own Sundae Slimy Gloop, and this one was around $5. I thought this kit looked like a lot of fun because they're ice cream themed slimes, and it looks like you get to mix in a vanilla scent. So this kit looks like a lot of fun, and I'm really excited to open this one. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get 1 bottle of white glue, a vanilla scent, some pink and brown paint, a measuring cup, a little bag of borax, 2 mixing tools, and some instructions. So I just read the directions, and the first step is to make the activator. So it says to measure 3 cups of warm water and to pour 1 level spoon of borax and mix until dissolved. And now it's time to make the slime. So the instructions say to pour the entire bottle of white glue into the bowl. By the way, I did have to use my own bowls because the kit did not come with any. So the next step is to measure 30 milliliters of water and mix it all together. Now it says to divide the glue into 2 equal parts, then add a different color of paint into each cup of glue. And now it's time to activate the slime using the activator that we made earlier. So I'm going to add 1 spoonful at a time, and I'm going to keep mixing and adding an activator until it turns into a really nice slime. Now that both slimes are activated, it's time to add the vanilla scent. The instructions say to add 2 to 3 drops. So here are the 2 ice cream slimes all completed. They both turned out super nice. They just have a super thick and glossy texture. These slimes have great clicking noises, they're super stretchy, and they also have really nice bubble pops. So the instructions say that it comes with a container to keep the slime in, but I did not see a container included in the kit, so I'm not really sure what happened there. But other than that, I really liked this slime kit. It was super easy and fun to make, and I just had a lot of fun with this one, and I would definitely recommend it. So here's the next slime kit that I'm going to be opening. So this one is called Make Your Own Candy Cloud Slimy Gloop, and this one was around $5. I've never seen cloud slime kits in stores before, so when I saw this one at Five Below, I thought it looked like a lot of fun, and I was really excited to try this one out. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get 1 bottle of clear glue, some pink paint, a bag of instant snow, a measuring cup, a little bag of borax, 2 mixing tools, and some instructions. So the very first step is to activate the instant snow. So first it says to measure 30 milliliters of water, then add the packet of instant snow. So the next step is to make the activator. The instructions say to measure 90 milliliters of hot water, then add 1 level spoon of borax and mix until dissolved. Now it's time to make the slime. The instructions say to measure 100 milliliters of water, then add 40 milliliters of clear glue. Now it's time to add the pink paint into the slime. Now it did take me quite a while to mix because there were so many chunks, but it eventually came together. And now it's time to activate the slime using the activator that we made earlier. Now because this is such a strong activator, I'm only going to be adding this little bits at a time. And now it's time to add the instant snow to turn this into a cloud slime. The instructions say to add little bits at a time and keep adding and mixing in the snow until it turns into a really nice cloud slime. So here's the pink cloud slime all completed. This slime turned out so nice. It's super drizzly and sizzly, and it's just super soft and fun to play with. Now this slime does leave a pretty wet residue on your fingers, but other than that, I really like this slime. So here's the last and final slime kit that I'm going to be reviewing. So this one is made by Nickelodeon, and you get to make your own scented slime, and this one was around $5. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get 1 bottle of clear glue, 1 bottle of slime activator, some pink and blue paint, a measuring cup, 2 mixing tools, and some instructions. So the very first step is to measure 15 milliliters of clear glue and pour it into a bowl. By the way, I did have to use my own bowls because the kit did not come with any. The next step is to measure 25 milliliters of water and pour it into the same bowl as the glue. The next step is to add 1 color of the scented paint into the glue. And now it's time to activate the slime. So I'm going to keep slowly mixing and adding an activator until it turns into a really nice slime. So here's the last and final slime kit all completed. This slime has a really nice texture. It's super nice and stretchy, it has great clicking noises, and it also has really nice bubble pops. The blue scented paint smells really good in this slime, and it was just a lot of fun to play with. So overall, I would definitely recommend this kit. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which slime kit was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And be sure to check out my Instagram page where I post all sorts of fun pictures and videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!